Imagine if they did it to a real diesel.
Wow. It's all the lights.
I'm guessing that these are all G-scale trains. What do you think? I did not expect this. I did not expect
Look at Daddy.
There's the New York Elevated Railroad.
What?
That one up
little
top, yeah.
A Shea, a Columbia, a Pennsylvania Railroad Pacific, a U.S. Light Mikado. Wow.
Wow.
New York Central Hudson, Union Pacific Big Boy, Nickel Plate Road,
This is
Berkshire,
incredible.
Norfolk and Western.
I'm totally blown away.
Me too.
Because I was expecting to just look at, because usually with trains museums, they usually just feature, they normally just feature historical railroad equipment outside. You just look at it and then you go home. This is something different.
So Chad, this is examples of all the trains that you're going to see, except for the New York Central Hudson.
And then look, the DD1 and GG1.
And also a Baltimore and Ohio Electric, a New York Central Electric Motor, and the GG1.
Yep. And then there's freight cars here. Wow.
Like
Passenger cars.
Santa Fe all the way. That's what Grandpa John said. Let's go see